climate change, and we got ourselves into trouble because of energy. And we are going to get ourselves out of trouble using energy. So 92% of Kenya's grid is renewable energy. The World Economic Forum has rated Kenya human capital as the best in the world. So if you're looking for people to work in your business or enterprise or investment, and you need engineers or bankers or investment people or whatever you need, you will find them in Kenya. Let me also tell you that we have very clear investment opportunities. I did share with Prime Minister Modi today that we import from Kenya, we import 70% of our pharmaceutical commodities from India. That is the smaller part of the opportunity. The bigger part of the opportunity is because you're looking at a market of 50 million people. For those of you who are manufacturing out of India for the Kenyan market, I have some good news for you. And the good news is that manufacturing from India for the Kenyan market, you're looking at a market of 50 million. But if you came to manufacture from Kenya, you will not only get the 50 million Kenyan market, but you will get the 1.4 billion market for Africa.
Haya.